Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about preparation method of a alcohol. In last classes we already study about the preparation method of a alcohol like a from alkene and second method from carbonyl compound. From carbonyl compound. Which compound are carbonyl compound? Which compound are a carbonyl compound? Then definition of carbonyl compound is if carbon atom attached with the oxygen atom with double bond and two valencies are free there of carbonyl carbon, then it's called carbonyl group. If two valencies of carbonyl carbon attached with oxygen atom and another two valencies are free there, then compounds or group called carbonyl group. Now, which compound are carbonyl compound? It's a carbonyl group. It's a carbonyl group. But what is a carbonyl compound and which compound? Like a CO, one valency complete with the hydrogen atom, then these compound are aldehyde. If both free valencies of carbonyl carbon are complete by alkyl group or carbon, then it's called ketone. टॉपिक हमारा बेटा क्या था? प्रिपरेशन मेथड ऑफ ए एल्कोहल. Preparation method of a alcohol from carbonyl compound and two compound like aldehyde and ketone create the alcohol compound. First we create or we form alcohol from aldehyde molecule. C double bond O H. This free valency complete with hydrogen atom, then it's aldehyde, but name of this aldehyde is a formaldehyde. Another compound, carbon attached with oxygen atom with double bond, one valency of carbonyl carbon attached with hydrogen and another valency complete with a carbon. It's a aldehyde but not formaldehyde. Means it's formaldehyde and these compound are except formaldehyde, so it's called only aldehyde. So first from formaldehyde, HC double bond OH reacts with RMgX, Grignard reagent. Reacts with the carbonyl compound formaldehyde. In formaldehyde molecule, double bond is present and always in double bond electromeric effect will follow. Due to electromeric effect, pi bond electron transfer from less En element to more En element oxygen. Due to electromeric effect, pi bond electron transfer from less En element carbon to more En element oxygen. Then oxygen have efficiency of electron and carbon have a deficiency of electron. Then carbon have positive charge and oxygen have a negative charge. In RMgX molecule, R means carbon, Mg means metal. We already know about a metal and non-metal. Metal have always deficiency of electron and a non-metal have maybe deficiency or maybe efficiency of electron. So magnesium have positive charge due to deficiency of electron, and due to metallic nature. And non-metal carbon have efficiency of electron, so negative charge on it. Now, reaction of formaldehyde with Grignard reagent, then alkyl have negative charge and magnesium metal have positive charge. So alkyl molecule attach with the deficiency center or efficiency center. Opposite charge always attract from each other. So alkyl group attack on carbon, and Mg attack on a oxygen atom. So adduct will form HCOMgX. C already attached with the hydrogen. Now C attached with the alkyl group. It's a not a product, it's a adduct product. Which product are adduct? The definition of adduct is if reactant and reagent reacts with each other and no any byproduct will form, then compound called adduct. For example, suppose that we have reactant AB, another reactant is CD. If reaction between each of them and product is ABCD, then it's called adduct. Adduct product. It means adduct have no any byproduct. Now this adduct reacts with the water molecule break down in H plus and OH minus. Now in adduct product, compound have maximum polarity. In adduct molecule, which place have maximum polarity? Maximum polarity shows the always cleavage in a molecule. It's carbon, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, magnesium. Which atom is maximum En? Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen or magnesium? Answer is oxygen. Maximum En element, and En of oxygen is 3.5. Minimum En element in compound, then answer is magnesium metal, because we know metal have always deficiency of electron. So maximum positive property in magnesium and maximum negative property in oxygen atom. So this adduct break down from there. This adduct break down from between oxygen and Mg. Then oxygen have negative charge, Mg have positive charge. Now hydroxide attached with the Mg and hydrogen attached with the oxygen. So HCrHOH, and byproduct is MgXOH. It's a 1 degree alcohol. Now reaction of other aldehyde, it's except formaldehyde, reacts with the Grignard reagent RMGX. Oxygen have efficiency, carbon have deficiency. Due to electromagnetic effect, oxygen attract the electron from less En carbon atom. So oxygen attached with the MgX due to positive charge, it's have negative, and R attached with the carbon atom. Now adduct is RCOMgX, HA and C attached with the R. It's also adduct or product. It's also adduct. Now this adduct reacts with the water molecule. Water molecule break down in H plus OH minus.